Welcome to Eduvin Preschool. Today we are going to learn parts of computer. Monitor. A display screen to provide output to the user. It is where you view the information you are working on. Keyboard. Used to enter information into the computer and for giving commands. Mouse. An input device operated by rolling its ball across a flat surface. The mouse is used to control the on-screen pointer by pointing and clicking, double-clicking, or dragging objects on the screen. Printer. An output device that produces a hard copy on paper. It gives information to the user in printed form. Scanner. A device that allows pictures to be placed into a computer. Barcode reader. An input device that converts a pattern of printed bars into a number that a computer can read. They are often used by businesses to quickly input price and product information. Microphone. Allows the user to record sounds as input to their computer. Speaker. Used to generate or reproduce voice, music, and other sounds. Laptop. A laptop, laptop computer, or notebook computer is a small, portable personal computer, PC, with a screen and alphanumeric keyboard. Pen drive. A USB flash drive is a data storage device that includes flash memory with an integrated USB interface. It is typically removable, rewritable and much smaller than an optical disc. USB cable. The term USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. USB cable are generally used to connect. Mobile phone. It is a telephone that you can carry around with you. Tablet. A tablet computer, commonly shortened to tablet, is a mobile device.